Welcome to Flamingo, welcome to Ocean Star. Ocean Star is a Bavaria 30, she's the smallest yacht on our fleet, but she is nimble and she is lovely inside. She comes with 2 baths, she's currently set up for 6 people, so there's a bunk in the front, double in the back and 2 in the main saloon. We've got a galley this side and a nice navigation setup on this side as well. There are several buttons on the panel itself. That takes your plotters, navigation, your compass light, your anchor light,
24-hour forecast,
bilge pump, and your water pump, as well as your fridge and your stereo, which operates through this button here. Stereo itself is a USB and CD player of FM and AM radio, and the electrics on here, the shower and your heater need to be on to heat your water. The heater on board is an Eberspacher, and it uses diesel, so just be aware of that. To switch it on, it is this button here. That will turn it on. You can turn up and down in terms of temperature, and there is a program facility there if you need it. The battery switches are located just underneath the nav table. One is for the engine, the other one's for the domestic. The shunt is located just above here. There's a key for that in the nav table itself, to if you want to get some electricity from the domestic battery to the actual engine battery to start, or vice versa. You can shunt that as an emergency. Inside the navigation table you'll find everything that you need to go from A to B. We have charts, we have plotters, we have dividers, and we have manuals as well, both on the boat with regards to certificates, and manuals as well, all about the boat. And so if you need any questions about it, it's all in here.